Here we are at La Finca Amanacer, outside of Cape, Costa Rica. With my vaccine miles. Raining in the rainforest. I took a shower yesterday in the rain. That was pretty cool. So I'm camping in the jungle, basically. Right now I'm on top of the main building at where I'm roofing. And if you go back that way and to the left, I don't know, about 50 yards or so, that's where my campsite is. Where I brought my dad's little single-person tent that I don't know how he used to use it. It's really, really small. It's pretty cool. I'm told there's nothing that's going to be eating me or anything here. Worst thing would be the poisonous snakes. I try to be careful about those.